polynomial solutions. So how many solutions does a given polynomial have, and how can I identify them? So solutions are the same thing as x-intercepts. They're the same thing as roots. They're the same thing as zeros. Your coordinates will be x equals 0. You see here. So if it's 0 comma y, like if this one is 0, that's a y-intercept, and we're not dealing with that today. So when you're finding the number of solutions, it's just the degree of this term here. So this is x to the 1, right? So this is 1 solution. The highest one here is 3. This is 3 solutions. Over here, you have a 2, you have a 9. So this is 9 solutions. And that's the first part of your assignment today.
That's easy.
Yeah, I know. And so what's happening here is, like, you're looking to see when the y value is 0. So it's x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals -1. So when we did factoring, like on the last assignment, but when we did factoring on the last assignment, that gets you to this part where you're actually finding the solutions. So that's what you can do here on this next part where you're actually finding the solutions. I'm going to suggest you can do that for the linear and the quadratic, but when you get to cubic, actually this one's not that bad, but when you do some of these other ones, I would suggest using the graph. So I'm just going to show you the graph method on all of them. So this first one, -x minus 5. So I gave you that link for Desmos. This is what that is. So you can just type it in. -x minus 5. And then if you click on the, not that, if you click on it, that way. So that's your answer, -5. So for this one, the intercept is x equals -5. So this one, it's 2. So you're going to have 2 solutions, x equals. So x squared minus 9. X squared minus 9. And then if you click on this, those points there, it'll actually tell you them. So -3, +3. So -3, +3. Okay, when you punch this into Canvas, Canvas is going to give you 2 boxes here. Like that. You need to put them from least to greatest from left to right. So like if you type in this, if you do this, if you do that, it's going to count it wrong. So make sure you put the lower value ones to the left. So this is the answer like that when you type it into Canvas. The last one here, x to the 3 minus 2x squared minus 5x. X to the 3 minus 2x squared minus 5x. All right, so you have those 3 points here. So there's one right there, one right there, one right there. So 1.4, 0, and 3.4. So 3 solutions. -1.4, 0, and then 3.4. Yeah, and then round to the 10th. So this is what your answer will be. Don't put fractions in there. If you use PhotoMath, it gives you fractions, I think. But yeah, that's it. That's this assignment. This is the last thing for this unit. So you have 7.1 through 7.5. We'll have a makeup day next class period, and then we'll have your test on Friday. So you guys at home, if you don't have any questions, you're welcome to sign off and just work on this. Get at least one attempt of it in today. And then that's all I've got. I should stop recording.